Welcome to this technical guide on the Dyson SV12. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your Dyson SV12 is vibrating like mad and barely picking anything up, you're not alone. This issue usually arises due to a failing motor or a blockage in the system. If left unaddressed, it can lead to more severe damage, making your vacuum less effective and potentially causing further complications. Now, let's gather the tools you'll need for this repair: a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, replacement motor, and a pair of gloves to protect your hands. First, ensure your Dyson is unplugged. To open the device, locate the screws at the base of the handle and remove them using your Phillips screwdriver. Gently pull apart the casing, being careful not to force it as this can damage the clips. Once open, you'll see the motor assembly. This is typically the culprit for excessive vibrations. To locate it, follow the wires from the battery to the motor. It should be clear where they connect. Carefully disconnect the cables leading to the motor, noting their positions for reassembly. Use your flathead screwdriver to gently pry off any securing clips and unscrew the motor from its housing. When removing the motor, take care not to disturb any nearby components. A gentle touch will prevent any damage. Once the old motor is out, take your new replacement motor and position it into the housing, ensuring it fits snugly. Reconnect the cables in the same manner they were previously attached. Now, it's time to secure the motor with the screws you removed earlier. Remember, don't over-tighten, just enough to hold it firmly in place. After replacing the motor, gently reassemble the casing of your Dyson. Ensure that all clips are securely fastened and that no wires are pinched inside. Once everything is back together, plug the device in and turn it on. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. To prevent this problem from reoccurring, regularly clean the filters and check for blockages in your Dyson SV12. Keeping an eye on these aspects can greatly prolong the life of your vacuum. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.